Wow, it's been a hot minute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Robbe, aka Scarsify, and yeah, it's been a while and I'm back. I want to make more videos, so if you have any ideas for tutorials or literally other kinds of videos, please just comment them down below. Now let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to have good quality edits. Velocity edits don't work. Like, I always try to render velocity edits with good quality. It never works, but never. But then when I make a transition edit, it's always like good quality, and I'm like, oh my god, yes. So I'm just gonna give you guys my settings on how to render properly for really transition edits. So I have my edits ready right here. It's not good, I'm not even gonna post it, it's just for the sake of this video. And now we're going to render it with nice quality. Okay, so what you want to do is when you're done with making your edits and adding your final effects and stuff, you're going to pre-compose all the layers except the sound together. Then you have one composition for the entire edit. Now once you've done that, you are going to search in your effects and presets for the effects RSMB. Yeah? I always change the blur amount to 0.80. That is my RSMB always. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to add the effect called sharpen. So I'm going to make my sharpen amount between 60 and 80. Right now I'm just going to go for 80 because it's usually good quality. Then I search the effect unsharp mask. So make the amount 25 and the radius 50. Boom. Now I'm going to also add my watermark. Okay, so I finished doing everything that I needed to do. Now go to your composition, add it to your render queue, and you want to go here to output 2 and you want to change whatever you want your video. Whatever you want oh my god, whatever you want to be the name of the video. Here it's going to be test for YouTube, because why not? So boom, boom, boom. Now click here on output module lossless and make sure you go to format options, animation, and then Apple ProRes 444. Yeah, it's that, and then just click on OK. If you have Windows, I think you have to leave the settings like that, and now you're just going to render.